This is my video response to Unit 3, 86,400 seconds. So the first question asks, what are time wasters in my day? So what I consider time wasters for me would be spending time on social media apps and game apps on my smartphone. I tend to do these two activities, and at times I can waste a good amount of time spending on these apps, where next thing I know, an hour has passed, or I've spent a few hours being accumulated throughout the whole day on these apps. So this is time that's wasted away. Question number 2, what does it mean to you that each day should be a masterpiece? So what it means to me for each day to be a masterpiece is for me to be accomplishing tasks, goals, and or activities that make me feel refreshed and accomplished, that I will be able to use my day in a positive manner to help improve myself both physically, mentally, and emotionally. So an example of this would be me going hiking or working out, which would empower me, physically, and that I met this goal for the day. It also helps to relax and relieve any stress that I might have, which helps me emotionally as well. Being in this master's program, I have set time aside for my reading and doing classwork. So if I'm able to finish these tasks and even get ahead, I feel like my day has been a masterpiece and I have accomplished a lot. Question number 3, what would this look like? So what would a masterpiece look like for me? Well, I would say, first of all, not spending any time on social media or gaming apps, but rather start the morning with a great hike, followed by setting that time aside for reading for my class and doing any of the assignments for the class. Would be a step going into that masterpiece, followed by me going to work and making sure that I give my student athletes the best possible care I can during their rehab or treatment phase, as well as setting up for practice or game coverage to make sure that I give the best care out there in case of anything was to occur, any injuries or anything like that. So once that is over, my day will end with me coming home and spending time with my fiance and son, which would include me reading and talking to my son, who's only a year and a half. So that would be a masterpiece day. Ending on that note, how do my values, so the fourth question, how do my values, faiths, and beliefs enable me to make this masterpiece? Well, my values, faiths, and beliefs empower me to achieve, continue to learn, be responsible, and have integrity in all that I do, which gives me the structure that I need to make every day the best masterpiece it can be for myself. And that's it.